My friends Eli Zabar and David Ziff are coming for breakfast this morning. These are serious food people. Eli has a bread business, especially food stores, restaurants. He's a fantastic cook. And David Ziff is an amazing caterer. So the pressure's on. So I thought I would make them pancakes, but I hate making pancakes one at a time. So I'm going to show you how to make them in the oven. So first I need 3 eggs. I'm just going to whip them a little bit. Okay, next I need 1/2 cup of milk. Okay, I'm going to lower the speed and then add flour and all the other things that make it a pancake. So 1/2 cup of flour, and just add it slowly so it gets mixed in. You don't want lumpy pancakes. So 1 teaspoon of orange zest to make the pancake delicious. Teaspoon of vanilla. This makes about 4 pancakes. Next is 2 tablespoons of melted butter. And 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt. And that's the batter. That's pretty easy. And now I'm going to put them in gratin dishes and put them all in the oven together. I put the gratin dishes in the oven and let a teaspoon of butter melt in each one. So the gratin's really hot and the butter melts. Just want to make sure that it covers the bottom of each dish. I don't want these pancakes sticking. Perfect. And I'm going to take the batter and pour 1/4 of the batter into each one. This is going to puff up just like a popover. And then it's going to settle down when it comes out of the oven. I'm going to fill the whole thing with red berries. It's just delicious and dramatic. I can do it all at once in the oven. Okay, into the oven, 425 degrees for 12 to 14 minutes. And you're not going to believe what these look like. These are tri-berry pancakes, and I've got the fruit all ready. It's just a cup of sliced strawberries, same amount of raspberries, and a cup of blueberries, plus a tablespoon of granulated sugar. Toss it together, and it's perfect. Ah, how fabulous do they smell. And they look great. I love the way they puff up. Isn't that fantastic? You can really smell the orange. Okay, I'm going to fill them with berries. So cool the way the edges get puffed up and they crisp. Everybody's going to have their own. There are 3 of us and 4 pancakes. I wonder what's going to happen to the rest. You never know. It's always nice to have an extra one. And breakfast is served. These look great.